Hello friends! I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute Santa Claus. Let's look at the picture. Our Santa Claus has a head, beard, body, arms, legs, and back or toy sack. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, beard, body, arms, legs, and toy sack. Okay, let's start drawing. The first step we are gonna draw is the Santa's head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle. Draw a long curved line, then C shape on the left side, backward C shape on the right side, and connect them. Okay, you're doing great. Then let's draw V shape on the top. V shape. Then let's draw circle on the top of the head. Circle. Oh, you're doing great. I like your head. Now let's draw a cute Santa's face. Draw a circle in the middle for nose. Circle. 2 upside down U shapes for eyes. The first on the left side and the second on the right side. Oh, you're doing great! I like your lines. Now let's draw Santa's mustache. Draw a shape on the left side and U shape over here on the left side and the same step on the right side. A shape on the top and U shape on the bottom. Now let's draw beard. Draw curves around the head. We start over here on the left side, come down, turn right and up and connect with the right side of the head. Wow, I like your drawing! Your Santa is so cute! Now let's add curves on the left side, right here, and on the right side. Now let's draw the Santa's body. Draw diagonal lines on the left side and on the right side. Diagonal line on the left side and on the right side, and connect them. Now we add the same line a little above the first one. Take your time, don't rush, pause the video and continue when you are ready. Now let's draw the belt. Draw 2 squares right in the middle of the Santa's body. The first square, the second. Then we are going to draw the rest of his belt. We're going to draw lines for this belt that match the same curve down here. 2 lines on the left side and 2 lines on the right side. Now it's time to draw arms. First we will draw on the left side. L shape, curve, and backwards G shape. Now let's draw another arm that holds the Christmas bag or toy sack. This arm is bent, so we will draw it above of the other arm. Here, draw backward C shape, then another one to the right, and the upside down U shape on the top. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's draw the toy sack. Draw a curve. Draw a curve. It starts over here at the beard, goes right, curves to the left, and joins the body. Okay, you're doing great. Draw backwards L shape under his hand. L shape. Now let's add some details. We can draw a few little wrinkles and little bumps here and here where the toys are poking through. Our Santa is almost ready. Keep it up. You're doing great. Now let's draw Santa's legs. First we will draw on the left side. Curve. Add upside down C shape for pants. 2 vertical lines and curve between. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's draw the same step on the right side. The first curve, the second, 2 vertical lines and curve between. Oh, we did it! Good job! Your Santa is so cute! You can always show me your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Tag me in photo, Nanny Juilliard. Now let's color our Santa together. You can choose any color you like. First we trace, then we color inside. I choose red for hat and costume, brown for toy sack, black for belt and shoe, pink for blush on cheeks, and some shade of beige for the face. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. I like it the way you try to color. That's good. Okay, good job. Someone coloring and drawing Santa Claus. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel, Nanny Julie. Love you. Bye bye.